What's up, you guys? It's Randy and welcome to another day in Vlogmas. So I actually just finished cleaning out and organizing all of my hair products. I actually thought that I hit record on the camera and I was doing all of that with you guys, but obviously I did not capture any of that footage. So yeah, there's that. I'm actually about to head into physical therapy with Adriana. So I didn't pull out that many things. I had this little box full of products that were expired or I just didn't use, or I just didn't like, so I was getting rid of them. So after physical therapy, I'll see you guys in a second. So right now we're doing some standing. And she's not happy about, but we're doing some standing after her physical therapy. She just had therapy. She just had therapy, so she's not that happy with me right now, but you know. I have her standing while I'm right here in the kitchen making my smoothie. And once she starts leaning like that, then I know she's getting tired, so I give her a break. And then just her sitting on this cube. It's a lot of progress, you guys, because before Audri didn't really have a lot of core strength, so she couldn't sit on things like this. And now Audri sits straighter than I do. So we have definitely been making some progress, y'all. I am so proud of her just sitting here like this. How you feeling, Audri? She's about to start circle time in a minute. So let me finish making my smoothie and I'll be right back, you guys. So real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys some of the products that I was getting rid of. Starting off with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey, not the Pure Honey line. I got the Not Away Leave-In Detangler and the Moisture with Twisting Cream. I think I used this about once or twice and I don't really ever see myself reaching for it that much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of it. I don't use detanglers a lot, so I usually detangle my hair after I do deep conditioning, so I didn't really need the detangler. And the Twisting Cream, both of these products, I'm not really a fan of the strong scent of them. That's another reason why I chose to just toss them. Another one was the Cream of Nature Butterlicious Curl Hydrating Cream. I don't ever see myself reaching for this one either, you guys. I have about that much still in there, and the smell of it, I don't really like it that much. So we're gonna go ahead and toss that one too. Then we have the Texture ID Styling Cream. You guys know I absolutely love Texture ID Styling Cream, so I'm not getting rid of this because I didn't like it. I'm only getting rid of this one because it expired. So I know definitely I'm going to re-up on this Texture ID Styling Cream. I absolutely love it. You guys have seen it multiple times on my channel. I got a 7-day wash and go with this Texture ID Styling Cream and Wet Line Extreme Gel. So if y'all haven't seen that video, make sure y'all go ahead and check it out. But love this, just tossing it because it expired. The Cantu Define and Shine Custard, I'm actually just getting rid of this one because it expired, and also because I don't really see myself reaching for a lot of custards a lot lately. I used to like my wash and goes to look a bit more fluffy. Now I kind of like them to be a bit more defined, and I get more definition using gel. Also, it lasts longer with gel, so gonna be tossing this one too. Now this one, the Palmer's Natural Fusions, I got the deep conditioner, the chia seed and argan oil hair mask, and I also got the shampoo to go with this. So I got these on clearance one day, just browsing in Target. I like the deep conditioner. It's very, very, very clarifying. It is a clarifying shampoo. So keep that in mind. It definitely does strip the hair. But I'm gonna keep the shampoo because every once in a while I like a good clarifying shampoo. But this hair mask, y'all, I absolutely hated this. Okay, I tried this like 2 or 3 times, and every single time I tried it, I hated it. I only paid $4.48 for it since I got it on clearance, so I ain't mad about tossing it. Then I have a couple of Diva Curl products that were sent to me in a package. Getting rid of these just because I don't use them, so they're just taking up space on my shelf. So I'm just gonna go ahead and toss these as well. And that is pretty much it as far as the things that I'm getting rid of on the shelf. I did go ahead and rearrange and kind of, you know, clean up my shelf, so I'll go ahead and show you guys. But now this is what my product stash is looking like. I like to have all of my products where I can see them. I like to typically group brands together. Like I have a full line of this Aussie curl, so I'll keep that all together. It's things in here that I haven't used yet, like this BB curl products. I was sent those, and then I actually just bought these Unicurl products, or Unique, however you pronounce that, on Black Friday. And then I also like to group my products according to like packaging as well. So all of these packaging, like it kind of looks the same. So I like to keep the aesthetics going. Same thing with the Emerge products and the Texture ID. The packaging and colors kind of look the same. So we just group those all together. Then I got all of my shampoos, deep conditioners down there. And then I have like my grease and, you know, other random things down there. But it's looking really good. I like to have my things organized. I usually keep the things that I reach for the most like up towards the front, but all of these products, I've been using them consistently, so that's why I'm keeping these products up here. But now I think Dre said he wanted to take Audriana to the park since she doesn't have another physical therapy till 2:20. So we're gonna head to the park, you guys. At the same park we always come to, y'all.
No, it ain't. You got 2 parks to go to.
Well, this is the same big park. Not the little playground park. The bigger park.
Christmas lights up.
No, you could do it. Watch.
Let's go. Oh. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Trying to give Audrey a little bit of change of scenery for her to do her physical therapy exercises. You know, just a little bit of extra motivation. Sometimes, you know, with this quarantine, of course, she's tired of being in the house. So when she goes outside, she doesn't think about her exercises as much while we're doing them. And sometimes she does better. Nobody at the park.
It's a miracle. Thank you, Lord.
Happy to be outside. It's a cloudy day.
It's a big
You wanna go see the snow?
It's a picture in the snow.
You wanna?
It's a picture in cherry.
Chilly.
Take a picture in the cherry.
You wanna go see the snow? You wanna play in the
See
snow?
Doc McStuffins right there. Don't touch it. Not till Christmas and your birthday.
I did it.
You can't touch it. Not till Christmas.
The big bowl. What you gonna do?
I did stuffy.
Stuffy.
I did Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah, I did.
We gotta wait for Christmas. It's not Christmas yet. Wait for your birthday. Your birthday is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where we at?
Your daddy don't know when your birthday
1,
is.
2, 3,
Her
4,
birthday is
5,
in 6 days.
6 days. I didn't know what day it was. 6 days till your birthday. 6 more days.
Alright you guys, so I think I'm going to go ahead and close the vlog out here because I actually need to take a call for Adriana with her caseworker to see. I think I want to start Adriana in music therapy. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close it out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next one.